In the ever-evolving landscape of modern technology, innovation races ahead like a shooting star, transforming our world with each dazzling breakthrough. Before we move to the countdown, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Number 10. Mojo Vision's Prototypes. This prototype aimed to revolutionize how we perceive and interact with digital information. This smart contact lens will bring invisible computing to life. The Mojo Lens prototype is a critical milestone for the company in its development, testing, and validation process, and is an innovation position at the intersection of smartphones, augmented reality/virtual reality, smart wearables, and health tech. The prototype includes numerous new hardware features and technologies embedded directly into the lens, advancing its display, communications, eye tracking, and power system. Number 9. Spin Launch. Spin Launch was a startup company working on an innovative approach to launching payloads into space. Their concept involved using a centrifuge to rapidly spin and then release a payload, which would theoretically provide enough kinetic energy to achieve orbital velocity. Spin Launch is building enterprise-class satellites that are compatible with kinetic launch without compromising cost, performance, or mass. Developing a catalog of optimized subsystems and fully integrated turnkey solutions to deliver less expensive, more scalable access to space. Number 8. Graphene and graphene oxide. Graphene and graphene oxide are two related materials that have gained significant attention in the world of material science and nanotechnology. Graphene is a pure two-dimensional carbon material with exceptional properties, while graphene oxide is a modified version of graphene with oxygen-containing functional groups, making it suitable for specific applications where enhanced chemical reactivity and dispersibility are required. Both materials have generated significant interest in scientific research and industrial applications due to their unique properties. Number 7. GPS-3 or Global Positioning System Block 3 refers to the third generation of the United States Global Positioning System satellites. GPS-3 is an upgrade and replacement program for the aging GPS-2 satellites. GPS-3 satellites are designed to provide more accurate and reliable positioning, navigation, and timing signals for both military and civilian users. These satellites incorporate advanced anti-jamming technology to resist interference and maintain signal integrity, particularly in contested or hostile environments. Number 6. Smart floating farms are innovative agricultural concepts that leverage advanced technologies to address food production challenges, particularly in densely populated urban areas or regions with limited arable land. Smart floating farms are part of the broader movement towards sustainable and technology-driven agriculture. They offer innovative solutions to address the challenges of feeding a growing global population while minimizing the environmental footprint of food production. Let's continue the top 5 evolving technologies next week, so stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.